Hi, to pair your Marshall Monitor 3 A.N.C with Android phone, as a first step, just take a look at this indicator. If it's turned off, then your headphones are turned off as well. So in that case, we would need to go in a pairing mode. For that, take your right earpiece and here you would see this control knob. So basically this gold button is a control knob, which you need to press and hold. So that indicator will be blinking blue. Firstly, it will light up white, but then it will blink blue and we can release the button. So let's try this out. I'm gonna hold the button and now it's blinking blue, so they are ready to be paired. And on the phone we get this just pop-up window to connect new device, but if not, we can go in the phone settings. From here, we would need to select the step connections, go in Bluetooth, enable it by tapping on the switcher, and now in the list of available devices, we would need to find our headphones. If no device found, then you need to turn off Bluetooth, wait for a couple of seconds, and turn it on again. And here is our Monitor 3 A.N.C. We need to tap on them to select, and then tap on this button, pair, and wait for it to be paired. And now they are connected because we can see it in the list of paired devices. But we are not done yet because there is an app for these headphones. To find it, you need to go in Play Store and here find and download this Marshall Bluetooth app. I already installed it, so let's just open it. Here, agree with user license agreement, tap the next button. After that, you can choose to stay updated and enter your email address, or you can skip this step. Here, select if you want to share your data. I don't want to share it, so I'm gonna tap on the switcher and go next. And now we can add our headphones. For that, tap this white button, add new device. Here, allow Bluetooth, this is important. Allow, and now it is searching for our headphones, so we just need to hold them nearby the phone and simply wait till it will find our Marshall Monitor 3 A.N.C. And yep, it found them, so we just need to tap this add button and now it is searching for our headphones, so here tap on pair. And now you can see some on-screen instructions how to use this app with your headphones and just press get started button. And now they are connected to the app as well because we can see the name of the device, its battery percentage. We can update our headphones. I suggest you to update them because usually updates includes fixing old issues and adding new features. And after that you can go through the settings and adjust them and customize this M button, for example. Here you can select an action for the M button. We can select the voice assistant and now let's test it. So M button is located on your right earpiece, right here indicated by letter M. And to trigger voice assistant, we would need to press this button once, like that. And now Bixby is enabled. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.